Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to transfer data from iPhone to Samsung Galaxy S25 smartphone. To do that, you're gonna have to open the SAMSUNG Switch application, which is available on your phone by default. So it's a pre-installed app, but if you cannot find it, you can find it in the Galaxy Store. So just open the Galaxy Store, open the search field, and search for Smart Switch. Here it is. Just download and install this application and then open it. Then give it permission to use your data. Tap allow. Now select receive on this phone. Select iPhone. Then you can either use a cable, so connect your Samsung to an iPhone, or you can use a wireless connection. Let's select wireless, then tap next. Then we're gonna have to download and install a Smart Switch on an iPhone. So let me just grab my iPhone and let's open the App Store on it and download the Smart Switch app. Here we have it. Let me confirm with the password and wait until this application is downloaded. Now let's open the application on our iPhone. Tap continue, then give it the permissions. Let's share all of our contacts. Then the calendar, reminders, full access to photos, camera, location, and everything else that you want to transfer to your Samsung. Then let's go. Then select wireless once again, then next, and after that we're gonna have to use the camera of our iPhone to scan the QR code that we have on the Samsung. Tap join, and now wait until both devices are connected to each other. Select transfer on your Samsung and wait until the data is transferred to it. Okay, and here we have the data transfer results. We have transferred 4 videos, 9 images, and 118 contacts, and 122 events from the calendar. So just tap next. Next and done, and basically at this point the data is transferred. So I recommend uninstalling the Samsung Switch application from your iPhone, as you don't need it anymore. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.